Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, the perfect place for all your photography and digital creativity needs. Today, we'll explore the world of AI photo editing tools and discover different tools you use to transform your love for photography into a successful freelance venture. Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is considered one of the best AI photo editors available. Photoshop, a long-standing leader in the field of photo editing, has been in existence for more than 25 years. Until recently, editing images in Photoshop was a complex and time-consuming task. In the past year, Adobe has embraced the artificial intelligence revolution by integrating AI tools into Photoshop through Firefly. The platform provides AI image generation, the option to add or remove elements, and various other AI-powered features that elevate photo editing to a whole new level. One of the standout features of Photoshop is generative fill, which is both easy to understand and straightforward to use. This tool enables users to easily manipulate elements in their photographs using a text prompt. Generative fill has a wide range of applications, including creating complete images, eliminating backgrounds from subjects, and enhancing existing ones. Photoshop is a highly capable photo editor that offers a wide range of features. Now, with the help of AI, editing images has become incredibly user-friendly and straightforward. Photoshop offers a range of powerful features that make photo editing and manipulation a breeze. With generative fill, the ability to add or remove objects and backgrounds, and the convenience of image resizing on the fly, is the top choice for all your editing needs. Photographers, content creators, and graphic designers will find Photoshop to be a powerful tool with a wide range of features, including advanced AI photo editing capabilities. Although it may require some initial effort, investing time in learning will prove to be highly rewarding. What used to require a significant amount of time can now be accomplished in just a few minutes. Photoshop provides a 7-day free trial, allowing you ample time to determine if it suits your needs. Luminar Neo. Luminar Neo was an early adopter of AI technology in the world of photo editing apps. Out of all the apps on this list, it has the most extensive AI integration throughout the entire app. There are several notable features to mention, such as the AI-powered Enhance that effortlessly adjusts tone, contrast, and color. Additionally, the AI sky replacement is highly effective, particularly for photos with blown-out or dull gray skies. Another useful tool is Gen Erase, which intelligently removes unwanted objects and distractions from your images. However, there are also various smaller details to consider. Luminar Neo effortlessly identifies the subject in your image and provides suitable presets to get you started. The AI crop feature is designed to effectively remove unnecessary elements while maintaining an appropriate distance from your subject. Additionally, the AI face and skin adjustments are designed to target specific areas of the image, making it easier for you to enhance your subject's eyes or reduce shine on the skin. Luminar Neo primarily caters to photographers and individuals with a strong interest in capturing exceptional selfies. Consequently, you have a great deal of control over the application of different effects. There is no instant solution available. Each tool comes with a slider that allows you to adjust the strength of the edits, ensuring that your photos look exactly the way you want them to. It provides an excellent, well-rounded workflow. The AI enables you to work efficiently without exceeding limits. Interestingly, Luminar Neo stands out as the sole app on this list that heavily relies on its AI capabilities. They play a crucial role in the entire experience. Although making minor adjustments is common, heavily relying on AI is often necessary when editing a photo. Topaz Photo AI. Topaz Photo AI is a great option to consider. It provides a range of powerful photo editing tools, including Denoise AI, Sharpen AI, and Gigapixel AI, all conveniently accessible in a single platform. The main features of this product include a user-friendly dashboard, the ability to remove and reduce noise, and the capability to enhance image quality. Topaz Photo AI is known for its user-friendly interface, impressive noise reduction capabilities, advanced upscaling features, and the added convenience of having multiple AI tools available in autopilot. This is especially advantageous for photographers who want to improve the quality of their images, minimize noise, and streamline the photo editing process. Photo AI is perfect for those who want a hassle-free solution to automatically enhance their photos. The autopilot feature simplifies manual adjustments, making them easier to understand and use. However, if you prefer a higher level of control, Photo AI enables you to make specific adjustments as needed. If you're familiar with Photoshop or Lightroom, You can easily integrate Photo AI into your existing workflow as an extension. Topaz Photo AI has a strong grasp on the contents in your image and can effectively distinguish between image detail and noise. Canva Pro. If you're in search of a user-friendly photo and video editing tool that will keep you up to date with the latest in content creation, Canva is the perfect choice. If you're looking for a graphic design platform that is easy to use and straightforward, Canva is a great choice. While it may not have all the advanced editing features of other competitors, it offers over 20 AI-powered tools like Magic Eraser, Magic Grab, Magic Animate, and Instant Presentations to help you create marketable media quickly and efficiently. For instance, BeatSync streamlines the process of preparing a TikTok video by automatically syncing video clips to the music's rhythm and adjusting the audio length accordingly. Imaging is our highly capable companion for Adobe Lightroom or Adobe Camera Raw. Our advanced AI algorithms effortlessly eliminate duplicate image blinks, blurry photos, or pictures with less than stellar composition. This tool is perfect for photographers who want to simplify the process of selecting and uploading files for editing. Creating an AI profile allows Imagen to learn from your editing style, resulting in faster and more efficient edits. Alternatively, you can utilize an already established artist profile to emulate their unique style. Imagen is a valuable asset for busy photographers because it edits each photo separately, taking into account its specific parameters instead of using a preset. This approach ensures that the editing process is tailored to each individual photo, making it more effective and efficient. Imagen's features are perfect for photographers who want to streamline their editing process and produce top-notch results without wasting time on post-process. PhotoDirector. PhotoDirector by Cyberlink is a user-friendly AI photo editor that provides a wide range of features. It allows you to turn words, phrases, and images into concept art, enhance ordinary photos to create professional profile pictures, and generate unique visuals using a text prompt. Additionally, it offers various image-enhancing capabilities, such as object removal, background alteration or removal, automatic photo touch-ups, and noise and blur reduction. It also offers tools to fine-tune various aspects of your images, like smoothing out wrinkles, reshaping the body, and enhancing image quality. If you need to remove blemishes or make significant changes to an image's composition, PhotoDirector is the perfect tool for you. Cyberlink PhotoDirector is perfect for users who want a user-friendly interface, powerful portrait editing tool, and the ability to turn their photos into unique works of art. Corel PaintShop Pro. PaintShop Pro is a powerful editing tool developed by Corel. It offers a wide range of photo editing tools, such as color correction, cropping, retouching, and more. There are two versions of PaintShop Pro available, PaintShop Pro and PaintShop Pro Ultimate. The regular version includes advanced AI features like focus stacking, an enhanced frame tool, blend modes, and aftershot lag. Ultimate is a great choice for those seeking additional features. Aside from the features offered in the Pro version, the Ultimate version includes additional perks like free fonts, Painter Essentials 8, Photo Mirage Express, and more. Easily create shapes by using either your own drawings or pre-made shapes, and then fill them with images, patterns, or colors to make your photos look even better. Corel PaintShop Pro is perfect for a wide range of users, including amateur photographers, graphic designers, budget-conscious individuals, and those who want professional quality results. The software is priced lower than its competitor, Photoshop, while providing comparable features. Unfortunately, Corel is not compatible with Mac operating systems and is only accessible on Windows. PaintShop Pro is highly regarded for its user-friendly interface, extensive range of features, and budget-friendly price. However, there are concerns about its resource usage and potential impact on system performance during demanding editing tasks. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, make sure to show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more valuable videos and tips. Thanks for watching.